Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, now if you're new to the channel, obviously welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech related videos every week, so make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you can do just that. Also click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And let's jump straight to this video. So this device that I have here in front of me promises to keep your internet connected even when Eskom happens. And I know most of you guys watching this video are actually located in South Africa and know exactly what I'm talking about. So whenever Eskom comes with their load shedding, this device here will keep your Wi-Fi router specifically connected. Now let's open this bag and see exactly what's inside. Now, so much noise. The name of this device here, I need to do something about this table, man. The name of this device here is Wibox from a company called Arion Power. And obviously, as you saw in the title, we're going to be giving one away to one of you guys. So stick through to the end of this video so you know what you have to do to enter that giveaway. Now, this device here will keep your internet connected up to 6 hours even after Eskom happens. So inside the box, you should expect the device itself. This device sort of works like a UPS, basically is a UPS, but this specific UPS is an uninterrupted power supply. Basically what it does is when the electricity goes, it will keep your internet router connected for up to 6 hours. All right, so inside you should be expecting the device itself. Now this thing is a little bit heavy. Obviously it's going to be stationary somewhere. It's not like you're going to be carrying it around anyways. So inside the box you have the device itself, you have a handbook, but I mean installation is really quite easy, and that's one thing I like about this device. You should be able to do all this setup in 6 steps exactly. That's what they promise. So you have the device itself, the Wibox, some information in front. They have their website there, and they have their customer service email contact. So it comes with these two adapters because this thing's gonna connect directly to your router, so you're not even going to need this guy anymore. This is just a router that I'm gonna use as an example until I actually go and set up on my actual fiber and Wi-Fi box itself. So you're not gonna be using this anymore. This thing here is going to connect directly to your router. Now they give this two adapters, and one thing also that you need to remember is that if you are using a router that is not 12 volts, you're going to have to also, I think they're going to probably include on the box a little adapter that's going to allow the device most probably to convert the power to be able to be used on the 5 to 9 volt routers. This guy here that I'm using as an example is a 9 volt, but the one that I have there that I'm actually using for internet connection is actually 12, so I am good to go. I'm not going to need an adapter. So as I said, using this guy is really straightforward. There isn't really much to it. So you connect this guy here to the power. Okay, so because this is a UPS, it actually also has an internal battery. That's how it supplies power to your router. So right now it's not connected to the power, so you have the red light there. As soon as I connect this thing to the power, obviously the button there is already on. As soon as I connect to the power, it turns green, which means it's ready to go. And all you have to do next is connect this port here. One obviously will go to your fiber box, and the other one will go to your Wi-Fi router itself. So one would connect most probably here, but I shouldn't be connecting this because this is a 9 volt and needs an adapter. And the other one will connect to your fiber box if you have a fiber box and a Wi-Fi router. Some of you might only have one single device, so you're going to probably only use one cable. And that's basically it for this device. Now all you have to do is take this thing where my router is. So this is where I store my Wi-Fi routers and my fiber box. This is the Wibox. This is a Wi-Fi UPS. These are the older cables that were connected to both devices. I've actually just replaced them and plugged the cable from the Wi-Fi box. To be able to connect the fiber box, I had to use one of the adapters that Arion Power provides with the Wibox, just for me to be able to connect. But everything seems to be working all good. Now, when ESCOM happens, these guys are still going to be running, and it's going to be drawing power directly from the Wibox, which is also connected to power. As you guys can see, this is the cable from the Wibox. So when ESCOM happens, basically the main power would go out. So the main power is out, but still the Wi-Fi would be connected, because these two devices are drawing power from the Wibox, which should give me around 6 hours, which is enough, because normally ESCOM only switches the power for maximum of 6 hours. So while the power itself is down, I'm still going to be able to use the internet, as you guys can see. Unfortunately, my other devices won't be plugged in. This is the Philips Hue Hub and the Synology storage device, but basically I'm not really going to need those for the 6 hours anyway. So the main aim is to keep these two devices connected, and then when the power actually comes back on, nothing much would change, because now it's just going to switch to a direct current. It's not going to be drawing current from the box itself. So a couple of things that I like about this device, the Wibox, is just the overall build of it. I thought it was going to be much bigger than this, which is actually not the case. I like the size. I also like the fact that it comes in white. Most of these UPS devices tend to come in black, and me and black devices really are not that friendly. Also, another thing that I realized is that you can also use this guy and hang it if that's one thing that you want to do. So you have a spacing here where you can actually just put a screw on the wall and then hang it if you have the space for that. But I'm gonna just be using it laying close to my routers. And obviously, unlike using any other solutions for you to keep your internet on, this guy here will continue running your routers even when ESCOM happens. Basically, because this guy is connected directly to the power and also has a battery inside, once the power connection actually goes, the battery inside will kick in, obviously, and continue running your router and your fiber box. Now, the giveaway. For you guys to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. Also follow Arion Power on Instagram. I'm going to have the links down in the description. Obviously, it's going to be on the screen right now. Leave a comment on this video, as that's how I'm going to pick the winner. I'm just going to raffle between the comments and select one of you guys to win this guy, and the giveaway is going to run for a month. So a month from the release of this video, I'm going to pick a winner for a Wibox, which is a device that should keep your internet running even when ESCOM happens. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Arion Power for sending this unit through to me. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I am going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace.